Taking your own photo references instead of searching through the amassed works of others and borrowing from them allows originality from the get. No copyrights, no plagiarisms, no future self-recrimination or regrets for use of someone else's work for the basis or support of your work. Photos are referenced to support your ideas. They're not art in and of themselves. You can easily derail your efforts to collect reference by wanting perfect pictures. Photo taking excellence is an activity you can pursue, but that is not the goal here. The goal is not to copy the picture, but to have references for us to create our own pictures. Sometimes there's a place that captures you, like this hilltop churchyard in Italy. Without the photo reference, it would have been virtually impossible to remember the scene, much less how the shadows were lying or the myriad of other details. Being that I changed my mind and media many times over the course of months, not having this photo reference would have been catastrophic to the freedom to change my mind. I started in oil, but I had just finished another oil piece and kind of wanted a break from that media. Next, I did this graphite drawing to work out all the details in the photo that I really liked. I ended up rendering this piece in pastels, and all the while I had the photographic reference on my easel. Take pictures of scenes, not only to remember what was in the scene, but what the sky looked like, how the light played on objects, and what it really felt like to be there. I like when subject matter is small and plentiful. Then you can go for a walk and select the ones that most intrigue you. These leaves, for example, I collected last fall, then brought them back to the studio. I pinned them to the board and was able to capture the exact view I wanted for my reference. I still have them anytime I want them. Studying geometric forms in our collected references is very beneficial. For example, the multitude of shapes found in skate parks helps us see the geometric forms in the world all around us. I use pictures of skate parks to finish en plein airs I started in the field, but even with them, I don't copy them verbatim. You are the artist and can move objects around to suit your composition. Changing angles and placement of things is not only acceptable, it's often necessary. A tray of bearings, a lady painting by a lake, a view from a cottage window, all would never have been created without these references. I hope this video has encouraged you to create your own photo reference library or add to your collection if already begun. Thank you for joining us here at White Paint and Pastels. Please like, subscribe, and ring the bell, and we'll see you back here on the first Friday of every month. Check out my website and use the links below for any art supplies you might need. But most importantly, get out there and keep doing art because life's a medium.